Alright, y'all, we got an SRX right here. About to get this boy running again. Gotta get a battery for it, but brakes and rotors all the way around and it struts. So we gonna see what he gonna do. But nice though. So we get it running. Be good to go. We in this SRX, driving it right now, transporting it. Like I said, struts and brakes and rotors all around being done. So once we get this done, if people let me in, stop being petty, if they turn me to the driver that I really am, it should be good to go. So y'all see when we get back to the house, we can start working on it. Doesn't this car look familiar, y'all? I think so too. You know why? Because we got the engine and everything in there, drove it, was driving fine. Next thing we know, transmission blows. So it's always some minor setbacks from major comebacks when you're doing work and anything. So we're gonna go ahead and get this put in this Malibu. You know, because we did it the first time. That's really the thing I'm kind of bugged out about. Because did the trans engine at the same time. Now we gotta do double the work instead of doing everything at once. We ain't gonna trip those. Alright, y'all, we out here at House Auto Parts. Gotta get this transmission that just blew into Malibu out of nowhere. So not happy about that. We gonna get it fixed so the customer can have their car and everything. So yeah, that's where we are right now. Once we get that, we'll be good to go. We're gonna load this up and get ready to start taking this down. So we can go ahead and load it up. And I figured out why the video camera quality, why I couldn't upload the video, because the camera quality was too good apparently. The software, the application I used couldn't handle it, so had to convert it to something smaller. But yeah, so alright, it's in there, y'all. Nice purple paint they provided us with. Got it on my hand, but hey, we good to go. Let's get back to the house. Then this car, this is so funny. I have a backstory on this. Y'all not gonna believe what's going on with this, as if I do one on it, but it's a funny situation right now. But it runs good though. And we think we fixed it. The situation is so funny though. Y'all won't believe it if I actually get a backstory on it. So yeah, we're gonna get some of this work done pretty soon. Started on that. And we got some more work coming too. I think we got somebody coming with another car. Actually 2 or 3 cars coming for like some light work. So yeah, let's just stay tapped in, family. Subscribe and everything. So the trans is separated from the engine. It's pretty much out. You got to get it from up underneath the car. That's it right there at the bottom. This is the engine. So yeah, once that's all the way down, we can grab the new one from out the truck over there. Sitting all cool in there. And then we can go ahead and put the new one back up. But yeah, pretty much have to take the motor back out. See, it's all up in the air like that. All fun. Alright, pouring the Z-Max. Stuff really helps out transmissions. Alright, y'all, trans is bolted up on one side of the frame, so should be good to go in a second. I gotta get the engine lined up now. See, we got the mount on this side of the trans, which took a little bit to do, but we got it done though. So once we get everything lined up with the engine, get this back mount. Y'all probably can't see it, but right there, that thing next to the little circle thing right here. Yeah, once we get that, the engine where we wanted that, we can adjust that. Probably adjust that first so the phone won't hit it. But y'all see what's going on. Too much talking. Need to get some more work. Good morning, y'all. See the aftermath. We got the old trans out. Got the new one in there. And the engine back in there, place like it's supposed to be. So, stepping in the leaves. Get this thing back together. Put the axles back in, put everything back together. So that's the vibe for the day. flex fuel. So verdict on this, my partner checked it out and he says he believes it is a lifter like the customer said. So we go ahead and do that. This does have active fuel management, I believe it's called. Basically you got flex fuel, needs to be in that tire. Flex fuel, so half of the lifters, which would be 4 of the lifters, are gonna cost around, I think, $30 or $40, something like that. I guess those are the active fuel management ones that shut certain cylinders down, and then the other 4 are regular, which are running all the time. So once we get this Malibu out of here, we're gonna start on this, I guess, in the SRX that's in the back. But that's the plans, y'all, to get it done. And the brake rotors came too from Rock Auto for I'm just forgetting everything to talk about. From Rock Auto for the SRX, got the whole brake kit from Power Stop. Good brand to put them on multiple vehicles we had before and some other customers' vehicles, so it's a good brand to put on. Alright, y'all, it's another day. We up here inside this car now. We gotta get this seats out of here. I gotta see what this little boy doing. Caleb! Yeah, see how this day is going. Yeah, so we gotta take these seats out, or lift them up at least, so I can get to these little screw passages. Let me get this light. Them little screw holes right there with 10mm. Can at least get that going. Get this one right here behind that cap. Gotta get a screwdriver behind it to get that off. Put the seats up. Unplug the connections. I'm sorry for the bad lighting, y'all. This is just car turning to something bad. I ain't gonna say that. Not turning to something bad. Just turning to something irritating. Unplug the airbag connection and the power connection on the seat. Already got that seat done on the left side. So yeah, get that done. Pull this console up. Get the shifter cable from underneath the console area right there, because it runs from up under the hood to in here. That's how you shift the gears. So this is what's got to be done. All because the transmission blew after we put the engine in. So doing it at the same time, because I don't know why I did that, but this is where we at. So luckily I love what I do, but I would rather be doing some other car work right now, honestly. I ain't even gonna hold y'all up. So we can get the job done though. So let me go ahead and put this phone down and get back to work. Alright, talking about sick. This cable won't work either. So now I better go back to another yard or buy one from the dealership, which is not gonna be fun because they don't want a lot of money for these cables. I already know it. Stealerships, as we call them. Yeah. So we got the cable to fit. Made some adjustments to it, even fabricated a little bit. Got that to fit nicely, as it should, with no issues. But the problem with that is up here still doesn't work. So this cable, the little end piece, I don't know where that's at. I can't even show it to y'all because you probably got no. It's right there at the top. I can grab it and show y'all. Right there, that piece that this piece screws onto. It needs to be shorter, probably about to where my index finger is. Maybe like that, and it could work. But the other one, black, is longer than that one also, which came off the original cable. So we're just going to stop playing around and go to the yard. Like I said, the dealership, and get the cable. Put it on here. Got the battery plugged up and charging. So all this hell for transmission, but hey, it's always a lesson in something. So find a lesson and learn from it. I found a few, so I'm not tripping. Alright, y'all, we couldn't even get the cable. It's the wrong cable. Apparently it was a cable for a 4-cylinder, I guess, instead of the 6-cylinder, which we have. So yeah, gonna have to figure out that situation. Probably go to a junkyard to get a cable. But we're on to the next thing right now that we can do. We're doing the brakes and rotors on this SRX all around. Got to do struts too. We're gonna figure out what he want to do with that because of price. So yeah, I'm gonna do it yourself video on this, so y'all can watch that too. You want to get straight to that video. I'll post a link in the description and post a little box above where you can go to watch the video directly at. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, that's it. Everything's back together. Put the lug nuts back on your wheels and everything, and should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for the day, y'all. You see, I'm after editing the video right now. So we're gonna call it a night or a day, whatever. I'm gonna end the video right here. Can't stop stuttering. And go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. If you want some more do-it-yourself videos, if you have any questions or any suggestions, let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to get to those and respond, and even try to fill out some of those requests, or I don't know, I said fill out, do some of the requests. So yeah.